I haven't eaten in 24 hours, so let's try this hot and spicy. Bigger than my head. Oh my god. I thought it was gonna be like one big giant ramen, but
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
Alright.
A watched pot never boils.
Ramen Plus, gonna use my new kitchen towel. It's so cute. Now I cover it. Soup. My kids want to play Roblox, so I'm going to play Roblox and try this soup. Oh, it's big, big. Pretty good. I either had food poisoning or norovirus. That's why I haven't eaten in 24 hours. So we'll see if this was a mistake.